Okay, lovely people, we're going to make a really quick Jiff pie. Any white fish, cod, even cod is lovely. Some cod is always quite nice and sort of chunky and monkey and fluffy. So with the fish here, I'm just going to slice it up into sort of large chunks. Okay, so these, you can turn the gas hob off now. You want a nice confident knob. So today, I'm going to blow these kids. I'm going to show them a little experiment that I've done time and time again back home. And it's to show them one of the most disgusting knobs. It's in the shape and form of something that they love. Do you want to learn? But it can go on and 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 on, and it take ages to do. Whether you peel or not peel, the finer you slice it, the quicker they'll cook. Yes, we want them to be sweet. In the pan, we go, just get those leeks going. Same principle, the carrots. Slice that up. And then I'm going to put that straight into our dish here. I'm going to season that, run your knife through it so everyone kind of gets a bit, spread around a bit more. Right now, pinch of pepper, a little salt. I've got the sweet leeks, the monkey and the water, cod, and you just really go. Let me show you one that I did earlier. This has been in for about 35 minutes. So, have a look at that.